Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Take a look around. I'm sure you'll find something interesting or useful. If not, stick around for this quick video where I'll give you a brief description of a small, affordable, and versatile module, the SI5351. The SI5351 module is compact, versatile, and incredibly affordable. When paired with an Arduino Nano, 2 push buttons, and a rotary encoder, you get a fully functional frequency generator that operates from 100 kHz to 220 MHz. The buttons allow you to control the frequency step size, while the second button switches between radio bands with each press. This frequency generator, based on the SI5351 module, was built using the schematic from an instructable website link in the description, and the second version of the code from the same site. If you like what you see and need it, the schematic provided is fully functional, allowing you to control the frequency of a radio receiver or even use it as an external oscillator for various purposes. It can even be used as a signal generator, providing a square wave signal up to 10 MHz, which transitions smoothly to a sine wave signal with a peak-to-peak amplitude of 3 volts. For those interested, the distortion and signal jitter measurements are from my oscilloscope, which can go up to 70 MHz stable. Anything beyond that is just for my satisfaction, as I can still confirm the signal is there. As you saw, even at 144 MHz, I can still detect the signal. And what's even more amazing is that I can see the frequency clearly. Quite impressive for my Handtech 1070 DSO oscilloscope. There's a video about it. Check the link in the description. Again, check out the channel page. There are plenty of videos on repairs, DIY projects, various reviews, and more. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications as more videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.